Hello friends. Welcome back to TESTOFF channel. The correct answer will be shown 10 seconds after the question. You can pause the video if this time is not enough for you. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below the video. Subscribe to TESTOFF channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. I think he must have been involved. I should have started preparing for the final exams earlier. The thief has been in prison a number of times before. Dr. Gates wasn't reading in his room when the murder happened. Mike was drinking too much so he fell. She had been waiting for an hour. I'm not well acquainted with our classmates yet. Tom is working hard. In the living room there's a television and a video recorder. Oil floats if you pour it on water.